Anna is a young woman who lives in a small apartment in the city. She has to wake up early every day because she has to go to work. Anna works at a busy office. She has a lot of responsibilities, but she likes her job. After work, Anna likes to relax at home. She lives alone, but she enjoys her cozy apartment. She lives in the city center, so she doesn't have to commute far to work. In the evening, Anna prepares dinner for herself. She prefers cooking at home rather than ordering food. After dinner, she studies for her language class. Anna needs to improve her language skills for an upcoming trip. On the weekends, Anna spends time with her friends. They live nearby, so they often hang out at each other's places. Anna loves living in the city because she can visit different places easily.